My friends, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So once again in this video I'm talking about the Tron TRX. What is the current price of TRX crypto? What is the price changes occur in the TRX? And this video I will show you, friends, and we also discuss the price changes occur in the TRX. What is the next move coming soon in the TRX? Let me show you, friends. But before before starting this interesting video, I request everyone, if you listen my voice, so please, friends, complete my 10k subscriber and kindly subscribe now AB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Friends, as you can see here now, if you look, the price changes occur in the TRX. So now the price change is 0.081395 USD dollar, friends. That is the price of the TRX. And if you look, the price changes occurs in the TRX. So the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is also positive, and last 1 week price change is negative. Oh my goodness, only the last 1 week price change is negative, except of these the last 1 hour, last 1 day price change is going positive. So my friends, personally I'm very happy for the last 1 hour price change. There's the last 1 hour price change as positive. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. What's going on? Let's see the latest update. You can see here that is the last 1 month price chart of the TRX. So in the last 2 days, from the last 2 days, the price is moving upward. And my friends, remember my prediction about TRX is 100% positive, and I believe that there will be a huge pump coming soon in the TRX in the start of June, in the start of new month, friends. Now it is the end of month, so maybe the price of the TRX is fast down for a little time, but don't worry, in the start of June there will be a big jump, of course. So wait for it, my friends, and don't decide to sell. As you can see here, that is the last 1 month price chart. If you decide to sell, that you can see here that the last 1 month price change is negative, so you are in the loss. If you decide to sell, so you are in the loss. And if you decide to hold, so maybe there is a lot of chances to take a jump in the future, friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone to, it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about TRX? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.